JennyJewel asks, my I-130 got approved and I got approval notice too, but in USCIS case tracker it's still showing pending, probably case acceptance. Okay, so this is very important. I have a lot of clients who get caught up in this. So when you submit a case to USCIS, that's the internal U.S. Immigration Office, what they do is they pretty quickly, they should file you a receipt notice so they show that you cash your check. And also that receipt will have a case number on it where you go to USCIS.gov, you put the case number in, and it's supposed to update you at your case. My clients make a big deal that they want tracking and all this kind of stuff. What's important to know is that the case tracking system, USCIS, is not reliable. There's constantly either they don't update it or it has bad information on there. I would say only 70% of the time from my experience would I rely on that. It's so bad I generally don't rely on that. It's just an additional secondary thing to check on. But I don't rely on that because it's not reliable. So in this kind of case, the I-130, the case was approved and it's not showing it on the case tracker on USCIS.gov. That's perfectly normal. That happens, I would say, 30-40% of the time, easily. That's just the officer not going into the system and updating, or there being a glitch in there. If you have the paperwork for the approval, that's what's important. The online system is just an additional thing to kind of help you, but it's not something you can rely on your case. If you have the approval notice, that's good. Now you have to wait for the National Visa Center to contact you and say, okay, let's start consular processing, if that's the kind of case that you had, and take it from there. That could take anywhere from a day to get the notice from the National Visa Center, or 2 or 3 months. If it takes longer than that, or maybe even 2 months or longer, you should contact them, but best to consult a lawyer to know how to contact them and to just check it out and get you prepared for consular processing, because there's a lot of paperwork you should right now get started getting. Police certificate, financial documents, birth certificate originals, marriage certificate originals, anything you need to get it now so you have a running start on everything.